Hey, welcome to a bit of a random video. It's about something a little newer than what I typically cover on this channel these days, but it's still pretty old, and I still think you might find it kind of interesting. Got Microsoft SQL Server 2000, and well, what's so special about that? Well, it is still sealed. Still got the plastic wrap on it. I picked this up at a local Value Village for $9.99, and that's the most interesting thing I found at a thrift store in quite a while. Not quite the most interesting thing I found at a thrift store, but I've had quite a long dry spell of finding old computer stuff in thrift stores, aside from maybe some books. So yeah, I love the cover from this. It's very Windows 2000, Windows ME-esque. Random little pictures. The ergonomic keyboard. It includes SQL Server 2000 reporting services. Requires Windows 2000 though. Server. And yeah. The service pack. Microsoft Windows 2000 compatible. Dynamic self-managing and tuning, XML support, complete web access, data loading and transformation, Windows 2000 integration, yeah, that was brand new. Windows 2000 Active Directory support, I'm actually not totally sure what that is. Analysis capabilities, integrated data managing, and enhanced full text search in an English search query, and support your growing business. MSDN and Microsoft Tech Support online. Cool. There's the system requirements if you want to pause and read that. So yeah, the complete web-enabled database solution for your growing business. And, yeah. Before we get to opening this though, I want to thank you for hitting 100 subscribers. I can't believe I've hit 100 subscribers already. And yeah, YouTube sent this to me. No, they actually really didn't. All YouTube's ever sent me is like some updates to their privacy policy and the copyright claim. But I made this up myself, and I think it looks really cool. I've got the Commodore 64 font. I talk a lot about the Commodore 64. And I got it's like the circuit board play button. So I just took the YouTube logo, created a mask, and then I just added like the circuit board to it. And I think it looks really cool. I really like it. Turned out really nice, and I put this little document frame. So yeah, pretty proud of that. So anyway, on to opening this. I contemplated opening this now or waiting until it's a bit more vintage, maybe like another 10 years. But I just cannot help myself. I'm dying to see what's inside it. It's pretty heavy, and it's already kind of ripped open here. It was like that when I got it. So let's get going. Feels a little wrong opening this, because it's just so pristine. But, yeah. There we go. What does it smell like? Doesn't really smell like much. It honestly kind of smells a little like thrift store. Because there's a reason for that. But I'm sure the insides will smell nice. Nice 20-year-old air in there. I've actually never unboxed a brand new Microsoft product this time. The first time I've ever unboxed new old stock software too. I really miss when software came in physical boxes. It actually doesn't really smell like much in there. Anyway, inside the big box, there's this other brown box. There really isn't much structurally to this box, just a flimsy, thin box with the printing on it. And then you've got your inner, thick, heavy cardboard box. And yeah, open it up here, and we've got security update reminder. Cool. I think this is a later build of it. This is 2003. So, which makes sense. And here's the software itself. It comes in like a DVD style case. Inside this case, there's these discs here, which are like in a separate sleeve. There's a single disc here. Microsoft SQL Server 2000, SQL, however you want to pronounce it. I usually say SQL, but I'm saying SQL a lot recently. Don't know why. I guess this is just the same disc, I guess. First, that's Personal Edition. I think it's a little bit different. We've got reporting services. We've got another disc here. It's 3-disc sandwich. Don't forget, register online. Or you cannot. Just cut this out and send it in. I kind of want to send it in, but yeah, I'm gonna try to register that online. License agreement. Yay, it's a license agreement. More license agreements. Addendum. Yeah, stuff nobody reads. SQL Server Magazine. It's got development, administration. Neat, pretty small magazine, more like a bulletin. It's got a bunch of tips, I guess. SQL Server 2000. I can't even show this. This is a really big poster. So here it is. SQL Server 2000 system table map. It's like this absolutely massive poster. Here's a Mac and some floppy disks for scale. So yeah, pretty big. Here is that glorious, big, thick manual. Microsoft SQL Server 2000 Introduction. And yeah, it's a manual on using it. I really miss when software used to come with lots and lots of really cool manuals like this. Everything's just like the integrated help system and online help is cool and all, but nothing beats a big old manual. I almost forgot. What does it smell like? It seriously smells like an old book. It smells like a book that's just been stored away. I have several old computer manuals and stuff that all smell that same way. It's kind of like a cold smell. It's hard to explain. It's like a cold, not quite a musty smell, but it's like an aged smell. It's a new but aged smell. It's weird. So yeah. There's everything we got. So that's it for unboxing a never opened copy of Microsoft SQL Server 2000. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. I'll have a more normal video out really soon, hopefully. So yeah, thanks for watching.